Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to open the Tools menu on our watch, and to open it, press and hold the back button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. After the menu opens, you can use the crown button by rotating it, like this, to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the Do Not Disturb mode option. Once you select it, you can press the crown button to not enter but enable the Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see, now it's enabled and it says on right here. And to disable the mode, you can simply press it again to switch it to off. So basically you can switch between on and off by pressing the crown button. And once you're done changing the Do Not Disturb mode, you can press the back button once to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.